Sheesh. Early in the morning. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the vlog. It is officially the 3rd day of January. Happy New Year's to everybody out there. And today we are going to SSR Performance. We're going to Cane's to eat after, and probably whatever else we're gonna do out there, we're gonna do. We meaning me and my girlfriend, because I'm gonna pick her up to go, because this car has to get serviced. It's almost at 100K. Has to get Wanda blasted and a bunch of other little things. So that's what consists of today and this entire video. So I'm gonna pass you guys over to the next one. Hey guys, me and my girl just made it to our first stop of the day. It's at McDonald's for breakfast. If you guys don't know, this caramel frap is fire. Like, I would take it as far to say this one is better than Starbucks's. It's fucking heat, and you guys should all try it. But yeah, we still have to start the damn journey. We're still in Palmdale. We got a whole 2 hours to go. But yeah, I'm gonna send you guys over to SSR when I get there. All right guys, just made it to SSR. Damn, y'all see the McLaren though? Sheesh. That shit is fire. And there's my little piece of shit in the background. But made it SSR. They're about to get me right next to all the Beamers. Oh, heat. Draft for the World War III draft, and we need to take you to camp immediately. Come on.
I would do shit myself.
We just left SSR. They just got it done. They even hooked it up and put the SSR license plate on the back. Sheesh. And we just got the Cane's. We're gonna munch. Bro, if you guys don't know, Cane's is only up here in this part, like by OC, Long Beach. It's only in this area, and this fucking fire. Every time I come by, I always come, and I'm gonna show you guys what it is. You guys haven't ate it yet. All right, guys, we just got our food. Normally, this comes with coleslaw, but me and my baby both don't eat coleslaw, so we just get an extra piece of bread because it's a lot better. Extra cane sauce, and lemonade. It's gonna be fire, huh, Bubba? All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys after we eat it because we're about to fuck this up. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is officially Sunday, 2 days after the prior footage, and we have a couple things to do today, and I'm gonna vlog it all right now. We have a battery to install, a car wash, and a Q&A. And I have to get the Q&A done, so that's gonna be at the very end. Right now, we're gonna get to installing the battery, but fuck, dude, look at this car. This shit is filthy, just watch. I don't know if you can pick it up on camera, but it's filthy. Like, it's filthy. It's all filthy, ugh. But yeah, I'm gonna get to installing the battery, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. It goes in there, in this little ass spot. I don't know if you guys can see it, but oh my God, bro. I don't even know how I'm gonna do it with this big ass piece of battery until it's going there, but fuck it, we'll figure it out. And I'm gonna pass you guys over to the next clip. So quick disclaimer, there's these little black bolts. They go one right here, and the other one goes right there. I don't have this one. I don't remember where I put it, okay? So once you get this headliner off, don't forget that you guys need to pop this part off too. Mine's a convertible, so it has this little bracket right here, like this per se. This part goes over here. You guys need to not take this off first. All you have to do to take this off, twist that little black thing. It says unlock and unlock on it right there, if it'll focus. And you just pull it, because it's just on there with the pressure with this little spring clip right here. So after you guys do that, this is ready to come off, this whole thing. And this big ass little plastic tray, which all you do is take off these little plastic ones. 1, 2, 3. You move them to the side, and yeah, and it's all ready to come off. So the little gray bolts that are all right there, you take those off So you are able to take it off of here. So that can come out and you have your battery exposed. Officially got everything out. This battery kicked my ass. And apparently, when you take this out, you got to put the flathead in here and pull up like that to get it out the little bracket that's in there. And as you guys do that, you have to do it on the other side too. And look at the clearance on this side. Like I can't even fit 2 fingers. Like at all. Like what type of, oh my God, bro. This shit was kicking my ass. And then apparently there's a little tiny bolt that goes right there. I didn't have it, nor did I know where it was. And then I was like, what the fuck? So then I see this shit. I was like, what the hell is this? And I know this isn't OEM because BMW would never use this star design. This is only on like American cars. BMW uses T-Torx or E-Torx, whichever one. I forgot. I think they use both. But anyways, I think the previous owner either bought this or got this custom made to like welded it on there and shit. Just to make it easier so you guys don't have to dig all the way down there to get it out. You could just pop. You could just and pops out. Which is easier for me, but fuck, I did not expect this. Coming from somebody who's like only owned German cars, I'm so used to E and T-Torx. I was looking for it, I could not find it. I thought that shit was just there for display. And I see this. I don't even know what that is. I think it's like aftermarket, but I don't know what aftermarket it's for. So I'm literally just stuck on that. I literally don't know what it is. If somebody can help me, please help me. But yeah, we're about to pull the battery out right now, and I'm gonna show you guys in when the new one's in. Before I pull it out, look at the damn clearance, guys. Like literally, look at the clearance up top. Look at the clearance on the sides. Like I have no clearance for anything. What the heck? Oh my God, BMW, you guys are a piece of work. All right, guys, just put the battery in. Just put the terminal back in. I'm putting up the bolts right now, and we're gonna be done. All that's left now is just to coat it. Hey guys, just put in the battery. Everything's working, and yeah. So for you guys that don't know, once you put in a car battery in a BMW, you need to coat it. I just coated everything right now, and now I'm clearing all my fault codes that maybe came because of a battery, because a bad battery causes a lot of stuff to go like to act weird. So I like to clear every single code I can, so everything can be good. That only popped up because I cleared all the codes through my scanner, and yeah. See, so no errors, no errors, no errors, no errors, no errors, no errors, no errors. So yeah, so for right now we're gonna clear all the errors, and yeah, code it and everything's good to go. I'm gonna show you guys how I diagnosed my bad battery in case anybody wants to try. So I'll put my key in the thing right here to give it power. I have comfort access, so I don't need it, but I just did it to try it, and literally it was in there for 5 seconds, and then it said low battery. The battery like came on the dash. I was like, okay, battery's low, maybe I just need to drive it for a while. Secondly, whenever you unlock the car, your halos are supposed to light up. Okay, so I was like, that's pretty fucking weird that mine don't at all. And it would do it on and off. My halos would only light up on long distance trips. So I would assume that it was because my battery was really dead and it would just take long trips to charge it. And I was like, fuck. So then what do I do now? Now that I do it, watch this. They turn on automatically and mirrors roll down and everything is fine. And then once I lock the car, go up. And then try one more time. They still do it. That's how I was like, okay, maybe my car isn't getting the juice it needs for these to turn on. Because if it's not getting juice it needs, it starts throwing up weird codes, random codes. It starts doing a bunch of weird stuff. And I noticed that because I kept getting random codes every other week about everything that was correlated, from comfort access, plausibility. Anyways, as I was saying, my key wouldn't work sometimes. It wouldn't work from afar. And the comfort access would be hella laggy. So look, see how that opens automatically? Before, it would not do it at all. That shit would just be like, it'd be like, you do it, it would not unlock. Or this neither. When you put your finger on the thing and locks, it wouldn't do it. So that's a really big issue if your battery is low. It starts messing with electronics, comfort access, and then random lights on the dash for random weird shit. So if you guys are having those issues, one, check your battery voltage and check if it's where it needs to be, okay? And yeah, I'm gonna pass you guys over to the Q&A right now. Okay, so there's gonna be a lot of clicking on and off, on and off, on and off on the video because I asked on Twitter, Instagram, and I had a lot of questions. So I'm gonna keep going back and forth, and I'm gonna try to remember some so I can go back and forth, back and forth. All right. So the first question I got was, "What have you done to your car so far?" Okay. So, and I'm gonna get right to that right now. M3 front bumper with the air scoops. This one channels air to the brakes to cool them off, and the other one channels it to the brakes and my oil cooler. I have the sport package, and this car has a oil cooler. Okay. Secondly, F80 style grills on these ones. I got them on eBay for about like $30. The bumper I got off my boy Bavarian Magazine. My homie Matt, that's his company. He hooked it up with this. Sold it to me, gave me a really good deal because I bought more than one things. I'm gonna link him down below if you guys want to buy stuff too. Headlights. They were custom built by a company named Masterminds. Not company, but an independent company. Two of the homies, Mario and Casito. They custom built my headlights. Right there. I need to take my headlights back to them because I need to get a new lens. As you can see, it's all rock shit. It's already peeling right here. I need to get new lenses. So soon I'm gonna be taking it back to them so they can redo, so they can do my brand new lenses, just like that. And yeah, tow hook. I guess you could call that a mod, whatever. I only this shit is so ugly to me, but I only got it on here because of my front license plate ticket. I got a front license plate ticket along with my state ref for my exhaust. I'm fighting the state ref so I don't have to fix everything because there was a mix up with the cop and he fucked up a lot of the things when he wrote my ticket. So I'm gonna try to use that for my advantage when I go to court. And secondly, banner, speedhunter.com. Really liked it. It looks really good in this car. It looks really good. After I did everything, I was like, it needs a banner. And yep, that made it really nice. Onto the rear, I have a version 2 high kick spoiler, carbon fiber. Also bought this off Matt, Bavarian Magazine. I'm telling you, this guy has a plug. Carbon fiber, real. It looks really nice. Like how it kicks up like that. And yeah, that's that. And then right here on the bottom, an M3 rear, an M3 rep. It got a exhaust right here. And it's not a custom exhaust. Well, I guess you could say custom. It's not that expensive. It's literally just a muffler delete with mid-pipe relocation. With relocation on the mid-pipe right here. And yeah. And then I drilled these myself because the bumper didn't come with the parking sensors hole, so I drilled them myself. As you can see, that's why they're kind of like ghetto, but I don't care. That really doesn't bug me because I do not want to fix it. I'm probably one of the laziest motherfuckers you guys know. But yeah, I haven't washed it yet. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time. I'm really running out of time. But yeah. All right, guys. So the second question I got was, why did I start YouTube? So I started YouTube because 1, I like it. 2, it's fun. And 3, you meet a lot of cool people, individuals. And yeah. Oh, and I forgot. I have dual cone intakes in my car. And I only remember that was because this is going to the third question. So the third question is, what are the plans for my car? So I'll flip the camera over and I'm gonna show you guys right now. Plans for my car. I am planning to get an M3 carbon fiber roof, GT4 front lip that I already have. That is right there next to my old bumper. I'm going to wrap the car. So I'm not deciding yet. And since this is an M3 rep, and that is a real M3 front bumper, it has different curves and is more wider and aggressive. That needs to get custom fitted. So the guy the companies that I decide are gonna wrap my car, I'm gonna tell them if they can do that for me as well. While they're already taking all that crap apart. So that's what they're gonna do as well. I wanna go full bolt-ons as well. I wanna get my catalyst downpipes. I wanna get my charge pipes. I want to get upgraded low pressure fuel pump and relocated inlets, because relocated inlets make up, they open up a lot of boost and they sound a lot better. And yeah, and when I wrap the car, I don't want to reveal the wrap color because that's going to be a surprise for you guys. You guys are going to be like, whoa, when this car is done, that'll be crazy. Oh, and I want to get LCI tail lights and a rear diffuser, M3 rear diffuser. But you guys are not ready for the wrap. Like, this wrap is gonna be insane. Just stay tuned to the channel. Watch. Second question I got was, what would you do if you had 50, 60K? I'd buy M2.
That's what the guy said when he asked the question. Fuck yeah, me too. M2 competition. My God, bro. That car is gorgeous and it handles so good, but it has to be a 6-speed manual. If I'm gonna get a car like that, it needs to be a 6-speed manual, no DZT. 6-speed manual, so I know what the fuck I'm doing with my car, and you just feel it's just a lot better. I'm really upset my car isn't a manual, but I live in Cali, dude. I live in LA. Can't really find it. Palmdale, LA County, OC. You don't really find manuals like that. So it's like, fuck it, whatever. But yeah, on to the next question.
And last question. What are the plans for the channel? Plans for the channel is to keep making BMW content. What I want to start doing next is getting better at videography and video editing. So I want to get a stabilizer. I want to get a new camera and start filming, editing, and start doing cool shit by myself. Because at the moment, I currently really rely on a lot of people, like my friend Edwin, Lonely Media, and Jacob, who I still need to link up with so we can do a video on my car. I still need to do a lot of stuff for this car and for me independently, so I need to start learning how to get better at that. I'm currently gonna get a camera, so you know, no more iPhone footage. It's gonna be real camera, real footage, and stuff like that. I hope you guys enjoy it so far, and hope you guys enjoy the channel. I'm really just having fun with this. I'm doing it just so you guys to see what my life consists of and stuff like that. And yeah, so I hope you guys had an amazing day. Enjoyed your day. Enjoy your guys' weekend whenever this video comes out. So yeah, have an amazing day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.